Okay, so since I moved out of California, now we get to deal with snow. So I'll show you guys kind of what it's like to drive it, but I gotta, you know, scrape the windshield off and all that stuff. So when you move out of California, you gotta get a brush, something with a scraper, so you can just brush off your windows. Do that. You see when it gets on these other parts, ice just sits, so you gotta use this one, but this won't even really take it off. You gotta use like something like this to scrape it. You guys saw that. But anyways, I'm gonna put this down because it's hard to do this with one hand. And I'm kind of running late for work, because I guess you gotta leave like an hour early. If you go to work, you gotta leave like an hour early because it's kind of hard to drive on this, which we're gonna find out. And yeah, so I'll put you guys back on. All right guys, so now we're driving in the snow and my wife's other car, which is pretty cool so far. But you can see it's just crazy. Completely different from California. Like, I don't know, it's weird because you actually have to wear scarves out here and all that kind of stuff. Like, usually I guess in California everyone thinks it's like a fashion statement, which is like my wife and I were talking about that, and it's kind of crazy because it's just like you literally need to wear a scarf out here, and you got to drive a little slower, which I'm not, which I'm starting to slow down more. But yeah, so pretty soon I'm actually gonna have to go in like a vacant parking lot or like an empty parking lot and just like make myself lose control so I could figure out how to actually handle it in the snow, because I've never driven in the snow. But yeah, so definitely a different experience, really cool. It's just weird. But all right, I'm gonna actually like probably just take this off. This is gonna be like a quick video just to show you guys what I'm actually living through now in the environment. You see like a lot of the snow just coming out. It's crazy. It's like stuff you see in the movies. Got someone already in a ditch. So probably the camera's kind of offside, I guess, but yeah, that's what happens out here. That's why I'm trying to go slow. A lot of these other drivers are like passing me up. I choose to go this speed because I don't want that to happen to me. Another one right here. Jesus, man. There's a lot. Yeah, this is why they're saying to go really slow. Doesn't matter if you're a front wheel drive or all wheel drive, ice will beat you no matter what. So that's what I've been told, so I've been really nervous. That's why I left early to work. Probably gonna repeat myself because it's like, it's just weird to actually like drive through this, because I never thought I would actually be driving through this kind of weather in my life. So I think I'm gonna have to get my other dash cam out. This is my GoPro I'm holding. I'm gonna get my dash cam out that I haven't used. I was supposed to put that in the Supra. Thank God I didn't, because I just want to put it in here just in case. Plus it'll help out with some footage, and I guess you guys can take advice from me if you ever come out to visit, or you want to go on a vacation out here. But yeah, it's starting to get way more snow, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.